Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I know I've been missing for a while, but be ready for new content. I'm back and I'm better than ever. So as you can see, I'm just going to start out by outlining my eyebrows. First the bottom and then the top. And then I just go and gradually fill it in and making it darker towards the end. And you just want to do it with a light hand because you don't want it to be too dark. So again, you're just filling in the end with the pomade. You don't want to touch the beginning with the pomade so you don't have them sharpie looking eyebrows. Then you just go in with the spoolie on the back of the dual eyebrow brush and you just blend that in to have that ombre effect so it looks really nice and blended, and you just go in and fill in as needed. So now I'm just using this old e.l.f. palette that I have. I don't even know what the palette's called. And I use this brown shade to just go over the pomade and kind of just set the pomade with that powder. That way it lasts a little bit longer. And again, you want to use a really light hand in the beginning of the eyebrow with the powder as well. Alright, so now I'm just going to be using another dual eyebrow brush from e.l.f. and I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just cleaning up the eyebrows. That way I could get it to the shape I want, and that way it just looks cleaner overall, like it looks better. And sometimes I do go back in with that powder brush in case I go a little bit overboard with the concealer and do need to make it darker again. So now I just go in with this mini beauty blender that I don't even know where I got it from, and it is damp, and I just tap the concealer into my skin. That way it can soak in better, because if you swipe then you're gonna have streaks across your head at the end and the results won't be as good as you like. So at this point we're basically almost done, and I'm just going back in with the pomade for any places that I went overboard with the concealer. That way I can just outline it a little better and have more definition to my eyebrows. Now that the eyebrows are all done, I just go in with the brown lip liner and outline my lips. And to finish off my lips, I now use this Mary Kay lip gloss, and I just pretty much blend that out. So this is the end of my updated eyebrow tutorial. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be coming back with more videos this year. Thank you.